For many, the lousy economy means putting off major home improvement projects, but no matter how tight money is, there are simple projects you can't afford not to do. For example, your air filters. According to Angie's List, 60% of heating and AC service calls are due to dirty filters. They also cost you energy money. Change or clean them monthly. A leaky faucet can also cost you. If it's cold water, $25 a year. Hot, $25 a month. So fix leaky faucets and running toilets. It's usually cheap and easy. Check the caulking around your tub and shower. That's what keeps mold away and your drywall dry. And caulk is a lot cheaper than new drywall and tile. And while you've got that caulk out, check the weatherproofing on your windows and doors. Use a candle to see where air is leaking. Seal off those places. Cut your energy bill by up to 10% a month. Finally, take the time to go around your house and inspect your electrical outlets, light switches, and smoke detectors. Bad wiring can cause fires. Smoke detectors save lives. Bottom line, there are simple repairs you can make this weekend that could save you some money, maybe even your life.